Very good morning to all of you. In this class, I am going to start with the new chapter, Strategies for Enhancement in Food Production. So, in this chapter, chapter 9, in previous class we have completed the chapter 8, Human Health and Disease. In this class, we are going to discuss about the chapter 9, Strategies for Enhancement in Food Production. Is this chapter deals with the livestock or breeding in livestock, caring of the animals of livestock, or how we can get the products from these livestock. So these are the chapter is very useful for us for production of desired material or production of desired food material from the animals or livestock said to be livestock. Now first let us discuss about the animal husbandry. The topic is animal husbandry. Animal What is animal husbandry? Animal husbandry deal with the caring and breeding of livestock. So it deals with the caring and care and breeding in livestock. So it deals with the breeding and caring in livestock. Now in this chapter, so what is actually aim of the chapter? Because we can understand about how the farming takes place, how the poultry farm function for the production of desired egg or desired product, for the production of leghorns, for the production of so many livestock are present. Or about in India or China, it constitute about 70% of the world livestock. So they 70% 70% of the livestock present in India and China. Present in India and China. So India and China. India and China. Rest of the 25% or 25 to 30% of livestock present in the world, present or constituting the present in the world. So because of the less productivity of the world, they take part in other countries of the world take their participation in the production of food, their participation in the breeding or caring of animals or livestock are so minimum. So the productivity of the world on the basis of the livestock is so minimum as compared to the India and China. So how they what are the phenomena of the or what are the phenomena of the or mechanism or the steps of animal husbandry, steps of caring of and breeding of the breeding in animals. So what are the animals which generally used by humans for the production of food or for fulfillment of their needs? So so many animals which are considered under the livestock, even for example the cow, buffaloes. Example of livestock are cattle, cows, buffaloes, sheep, and other than sheep, camels also include in the livestock, because the caring and breeding also takes place for increase the number of camels for their needs, for the human need. Now, other than these, uh, other animals are pigs. Pigs also included in the livestock or the meat use. Here, the some of the sheep product is used for wool. From sheep, we obtain wool. Camel for our fulfilling the need. Now pigs are also used for meat. Cattle, some cattle are used for dairy products. So cow, buffaloes, like. Now other than these animals, fisheries or culturing of fishes or prawns. Now mollusk are said to be shell animals or animals with shell. Prawn, crabs also used for food. Crabs. So for example, these are the products: shell and snail also culture. Some of the mollusk also culture for food, culturing for ornaments, or for getting ornaments from these, or culturing for getting pearls from the mollusk. Now these are the animals which are generally used, considered under the livestock. There is need for caring of these animals because of the and human food production, because of some for example, the sheep is also considered used for production of wool. Now other than these animals, the silkworm is also a livestock. So from these prawn or mollusks. So the steps which are used in culturing of all these things, the leghorn also a breed which are culturing for the food production. Now these include after including the fisheries or culturing of prawn, include rearing or catching, include rearing and catching of animal. Rearing of also include breeding. So rearing, catching, in the rearing, those other steps include like breeding, culturing of egg, culturing of sperm, then fertilization or breeding. All these including to the breeding. So here is the overall about the animal husbandry, in which some of the animals, it deals with the catching, it deals with the breeding and caring of animals, caring of livestock. So many livestock present in India or China, that is about 70% of the world livestock present in India and China. Rest of the 20%, 25 to 30% only included or only takes place by the other countries of the world. Now, because and how many types of animals include into the livestock, like sheep, cattle, cows, buffaloes, pigs. These are the animals. Now other than these animals, fishes also include in the livestock for getting their meat, or also for getting the another useful chemicals, useful, so many medicines are also prepared by the or fish oil. So also the fisheries also, the culturing of fish is also including to the livestock or animal husbandry. Now prawn is also rearing or catching are also include in case of culturing of prawn, or in case of culturing of mollusks. Silkworm is another type of uh, livestock which include in animal husbandry production of for production of silk thread. And ships, from sheep the wool are getting from the sheep. Now the pearl which are cultured in the snail, yeah, or cultured in the mollusk. So some of the mollusk are also said to pink tarda, which is a mollusk or responsible for the production of or they are used for the production of the pearl, pink pearl mostly. So some of the other than these livestock, some of the uh, other animals include in the livestock for because they are beneficial for humans, or they are included into the animal husbandry. Now how the management of these livestock takes place, carried out by the human, how the management of the livestock or how the poultry farm, for example the poultry farm, how the management of poultry farm done by the human. Farm animals. So, the management of farm and farm animals is required for increasing the yield of the product, increasing the quantity or quality both of the product. So, first we discuss about the management of dairy farm. Dairy farm. So, it requires for increasing the quality and quantity of the product. It require for increasing the quality and quantity of the product. Quality and quantity of the product. Quality and quantity of the product. So both are required for the quality. The management of dairy farm is required for the, or in this dairy farm we mostly culture or mostly we manage the animals in the dairy farm like sheep, goats, cows, buffaloes. All these animals include in the dairy farm. Now we increase in this dairy farm, we increase mostly the quantity and quality of milk. Increase quality and quantity of milk. So we generally increase the quantity and quality of milk. Now in this method, in this dairy management of dairy, in this management of dairy farms, we generally include the cow, sheep, cattle, goat. All these include in the dairy farm because they also produce. The sheep are also produce milk, and goats. We generally culture or generally take care of take care in these livestock in animal husbandry or in dairy farms for the production of meat and milk both. But generally the dairy farm include the include the enriching the quantity and quality of milk mainly, and milk products also include in this field. Now let us discuss about the processes. What are the processes or what are the steps in the that are included in the dairy farm? How we can manage the dairy farm? The first process is how we culture, how we care the animals present in the live form, present in the form of live forms, in livestock in the dairy farm. So first we need to choose the breed. So good quality, it also need good quality of breed. So good quality of breed is so important, because if the animal is have resistance to has resistance from the any disease, so they can tolerate any of the environmental condition, any of the diseases, because they are belongs to the good quality and they have good genes in their cell, so they can protect ourselves from the organism, microorganism mostly. So it also include the good quality breed can have the resistance, have resistance resistance from or resistance to the diseases, different diseases. So they have resistance, or they can be have tolerant, more tolerant ability, so they can tolerate the effect of the diseases. So these are so important because of the because of we only take care for these animals for their milk, for their products. So we generally require for this product for we generally take care of these animals for the desired product. That desired product is milk or milk product. So that is important, for this purpose we have to take a good quality of breed for dairy farm. Now second is the visit of the proper inspection done in that dairy farm. Proper inspection is also needed. Proper inspection is needed. Proper inspection is needed in dairy farm. Because if the that include the proper caring of the animals, that every they have sufficient amount of food or not, they have proper amount of water or not, they have the animals where they are housed are cleaned or not. These are included in the inspection, because if the proper inspection is not done, so overall related with the animals or the animal hose is also important, is also considered into the inspection. So the cleaning of animal, cleaning of hose, caring of the animal, and proper availability of the food, proper water in that area, water is also present, proper amount of water is also present in that area, so that they can easily the foods are available. So the food that are required by the animals are much efficient or much more present in the field or much more present in the host, so that they can easily survive in that area. Or if we are not providing the such quality of food or water or placed to the animals that are living in the hose, or we are going to culturing the animals for the milk production, so our milk quality decreases, our quantity and quality both are decreases as a decrease in the quality of food which are given to the animals. So proper inspection done done for checking the availability of food, availability of water, the hose is clean or not, the animal is clean or not. Now all these things are required in dairy farm too, because if they are not clean, so they are easily target to the they are easily targeted by the microorganism. Now third is proper checking done by the veterinary doctors. Sorry. Proper inspection of veterinary for the checking the diseases, checking for for breeding of, because most of the dairy farms include the improper, or include the inbreeding, or because artificial insemination include. So they need veterinarians, or also they need veterinarians, so they for the breeding process, for the artificial insemination, for proper checkup of the cows and buffaloes which are present in the dairy farm, because for increasing the quality and quantity both of the milk, we need to proper record of activities in the dairy farm that are takes place in the dairy farm. So this is also important. So proper record of activity. Proper records of activity. Proper records of activity should also be takes place in the dairy farm for increasing the quality of fooders. So increasing the quality and quantity both of milk, so or milk product. So this is important. Fed in scientific manner. Fed in scientific manner. So this is also important, fed in scientific manner, so for the increasing the quality and quantity of manner. So I hope you like this video. So here is the overall the management of the dairy farm. In next class we will discuss about the poultry farm, management of poultry farm. I hope you like this video and keep listening and watching me, and thank you for listening and watching me. Poultry farm management. Poultry farm management. In the poultry farm, poultry means the rearing of birds. Like the term poultry used for rearing of birds. Birds like for fowls, turkey, geese, all these type of birds consider under the poultry farm, or take care under the poultry farm for the food or eggs. Now culturing of mostly the culturing of birds for their meat, but it often used for the culturing of rearing of fowls. Poultry used for the rearing of fowls mostly. Now the culturing of birds for their milk is known as broiler. Culturing or rearing of birds for their meat, known as called broilers. Now and the culturing of egg for birds for their egg, culturing of birds for their eggs called layers. Now these terms are included under the poultry farm uh, management. Now for the management, the certain processes included, that is the good quality of breed should be present. Good quality of breed is needed for the culturing of the birds. Second is, some of the other birds are also included in the culturing of in the poultry farm, like pigeon, chicken. So these are the another farm of birds now which are included into the chicken also included into the foilsome species of the chicken. Now one breed which generally used by the human of the chicken is leghorn. So that is the breed of the chicken. Now for increasing the quality of farm, or for increasing mostly in the poultry farm, the rearing of birds takes place for their meat and for their eggs. So both are important. Rearing of the dairy farm include for the meat or for the milk production. Now in this we are going to culture for rearing of these birds include or we need their milk or eggs both. So the rearing of birds for meat is known as broilers, and if we culture birds for their egg is known as layers. Now for increasing the good quality, for increasing the quantity or quality both in the poultry farm, we need to take a good quality of breed or disease free breed, like as in dairy farm. So good quality, or they have resistance toward the diseases, or proper hygiene is needed. Cleaning and hygiene, proper hygiene of dairy farm. Proper hygiene of dairy. Third is proper ventilation. Proper ventilation. Proper ventilation is provided to the animals, is also needed for the development or for the growth of these birds. Now fourth is food. Proper amount of food and water should be present. Food, good quality of food and proper amount of water should also be available in the poultry farm. Now all these processes included into the poultry farm. Other than these, these are the some management or processes. Now poultry farm is considered the rearing, or the poultry term is used for the rearing of birds, mostly fowls, turkey, geese, chicken, for example, or pigeons. Some of the pigeons also, some amount or less amount of pigeon also include rearing of pigeons also takes place in the poultry farm. Now if rearing of birds considered or takes place for their meat, so that is known as broiler, or if they are culturing for the their eggs, so for getting their egg is known as layers. Now the processes which are included under the poultry farm, these are the processes. Good quality of breed should be available. Now cleaning and hygiene is much important in the poultry farm, because we have to make poultry farm disease free. So for making disease free poultry farm, we have to clean the poultry farm. Our hygiene is also important in poultry farm. Now proper ventilation should be available for the birds, because due to lack of oxygen, the number of birds getting die because of the lack of oxygen. They require more and more ventilation. Fourth is food and water should be available. The proper amount of food and water should be available in such type of area. Now other than the because the birds feel also safe. So for their safety, that can be also, the safety of birds is also needed for rearing the birds, is required for rearing the birds. Now here is the overall about the poultry farm management, dairy farm management. I hope you like this video and keep listening and watching me, and thank you for listening and watching me.